In this video, I'm going to show you how to find coins on Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you've done that, and once you have your Axiom Pro Trade account, you can then start finding coins, and there's a few things you have to note over here. And the first thing you have to note is that you can go either in the Discover feed, which is over here, so you can see the DAX screener and then the trending coins. So these over here are what you can start with, and you can look at through these. However, if you want to go to polls over here, you'll be able to see all the different coins coming up and basically being created every single second and every single minute, pretty much all day, every day. So over here you have the new pairs. These are the newest coins. You have the final stretches. These are about to be basically migrated, and you have the migrated over here. Now, what's very important to note is that when you're looking for decent coins, 99.9 probably, or not even, probably even more, coins will be complete scams. So make sure that you actually do your research and you have a method via which you can distinguish between a fake coin and a scam coin and the one that's actually worth investing into. So I'm not a financial advisor. I am not going to tell you how to do that exactly. You have to, of course, you can watch different videos when people make it, but yeah, once you find the coin, you can then buy it if you are sure that's what you want. So over here, what I would recommend is actually just go in over here, mostly into the final stretch, which are actually coins that have been around for, let's say, maybe a few hours or something like that. And you can then go to this filter over here, so this button to open up the filters, and then you can play around with different filters under new pairs, final stretch, and then migrated. As you can see over here, you can select different audits, metrics, and socials over here, and you can basically set filters for what you want to see and what you want less of. So that way you can filter out at least some scams, but of course not all of them, because even with the best filters, 99% of the coins will still likely be scams. So that's pretty much how we can find the coins on Axiom. So use filters, and this pulse section, final stretch is likely the best. However, new pairs and migrated can of course be great too if you know how to do this. And then once you find a coin, you can just deposit on some Solana, and then you can start buying it. And of course selling and trading as you wish. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.